Hello everyone, myself Abhishek MB. I am here along with my teammates Bhuvan KV, Deepak T.L and JS Rohit. Today we are going to present software development and methodologies assignment under the guidance of Chetan sir. First one, introduction. GM Insta is a mini social media application designed to enable users to interact through posts, likes, comments, and messaging features. The project demonstrates the complete implementation of the software development lifecycle, including requirement analysis, system design, modeling, database design, and basic implementation. And next one, objectives to develop a mini social media application like GM to understand and apply software engineering concept to implement features like login, posting, and messaging, to design a system architecture and database, to gain practical knowledge of full stack development. And the requirements are: the system must support the following functionalities. First one, create, edit, and delete posts, likes and comments on posts, follow and unfollow users, send and receive messages. And non-functional requirements, security, user authentication, and data protection must be ensured. Performance, the system should respond quickly to user action. Scalability, it should handle multiple users efficiently. Usability, the interface should be simple and user friendly. And last one, stakeholders, user interact with the application, admin manages user and system activities, and developer design, build, and maintain the system. Next part will be continued by Bhuvan KV.
Next, I would like to continue SDLC model. We'll see what is the SDLC model. So, its full form is a software development life cycle. It is a structured process used to develop terms to design, develop, and test quality. So, the goal to provide software that meets or excludes exceeds the customer expectations while reaching the computation, the time, and the cost. So in our project, we'll see the three models, that is waterfall model, V model, and spiral model. So analysis. So among the considered models, the spiral model is the most suitable for GM install. So because it supports the interactive development, it allows continuous user feedback, and it focuses on risk analysis and reduction. So test strategies are unit tests in Visual APIs. Integration test is the testing interaction between in front end and back end. So system test testing the complete diagram and the system. The actors are here user admin. So the cases are how these users and admins are going to use this CM installation. First one is a register, login, create post, likes, comments, send messages. It helps in understanding how different users interact with the system functionalities. So next, class diagram. The use class diagram to represent the interaction between the actors and the system. The class diagram defines the structure of the system. Here the classes are user, post, comment, message. So user, we are having generally the ID, name, email, password, and what are the attributes for the post? It's ID and content, user ID, comments are ID text, post ID, and what's the relations between them. So one user can create the many posts. So this is 1:m. So one post can have many comments. So this diagram helps in understanding the object-oriented design of the system. Architecture will be continued by J.S. Rohit.
Thank you, Bhuvan. Architecture. The system follows three-tier architecture. Presentation layer builds using React user interface. Application layer built using Node.js business logic. Data layer managed using MongoDB database. Explanation: the front end handles user interface. The backend processes the logic and the request. The database stores and retrieves the data. This separates the improve this separation improves the scalability and maintainability. ER diagram. The ER diagram represents the entity and their relationship. Entity: user, post, comments, message. Relationship: a user create a post and a post has comment. Users send users to the each other. Data flow diagram. The data flow diagram shows the how data moves through the system flow. User to request and request to user, request to server, and server to database, and database to response, and to user. Explanation: the user sends the request, for example login or uploading the post, etc. The server process the request. The database stores or retrieves the data. The server sends the response back to the user. UI screens. The application includes following user interface: login screen, input fields for a mail and password, and login button. Register screen: name, email, and password field. Feed screen displays the post, likes, and comment option. Profile screen displays the user details and post. Chat screen messaging the interface between the user. Next will be continued by Deepak.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Deepak T.L. I am going to explain the conclusion of our project GM Insta. The GM Insta is a project successfully demonstrated the application of software engineering principles by covering all the major stages such as requirements analysis, system design, and UML modeling, architecture design, and implementations basic implementation. The application provides essential social media features like user authentication, posting, liking, commenting, and messaging in a simple and user friendly manner. Next future scope Next future scope our project includes adding real time notification for likes and comments, implementation of AI based post recommendation, adding add video sharing and story features, improve UI and animation and better designs, enable real time chat using WebSockets, optimize performance for handling large number of users, deploy the application of application on cloud platform. Thank you.